Hi and welcome to Maximity's Next 2 Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and this week we're going to be using if and if or. The if function will allow you to set a logical test and, depending on if the answer to that logical test is true or false, you'll either see the value if true or the value if false. So, for example, if this cell says the word blue, the answer is true, so say yes. If this cell doesn't say the word blue, the answer is false, so say no. But what if you want multiple conditions to be met? Perhaps you want this cell to say blue and this cell to say green. If they both meet those conditions, then the answer will be yes, but if one of them or neither of them do, the answer is no. Or what if you wanted this cell to say blue or this cell to say green? If at least one of these conditions is met, the answer is yes, but if neither of them are met, the answer is no. There are two further functions called and or that will allow you to set up multiple conditions. To include these functions into the if function, we'll be replacing the logical test. The layout for the if function is as follows: if, logical test, value if true, value if false. So we're going to be placing the and or functions in the logical test bit. First, and. After the opening bracket of the if function, type and then another opening bracket. The first section is for condition 1, so click on the cell with colour 1 in and type equals, quote, blue, quote. In the next section, for condition 2, click on the cell with colour 2 in, type equals, quote, green, quote, and then close your bracket. Once you've closed the bracket, you'll see you've returned to the if function, and now you need to input your value if true and value if false. For the or function, just replace and with or. Now you have two if functions, one that requires multiple criteria and another that requires one of multiple criteria. That's it for this week's 2 Minute Tuesday. Thank you for watching.